So we will start with the turtle programming. Let me share my screen. Okay. We can see I have opened my Jupyter notebook, and let me also open Google Colab for you. Okay. Not any big difference. Okay. Go to Google Colab. New notebook. I was not using a Google Colab because it takes lot many time to run as I am not got connection with me. You can see the interface itself. Both the things are same. Okay. If you want to implement the things here, you can implement here. Okay. And we have also Jupyter notebook. Same thing. You can see. Okay. So yeah, just a minute. Okay. So I will start now. Okay. With your turtle programming. I will be also writing some part, and today I will be also explaining how to write, how to use a markdown properly in your Jupyter notebook. Okay, means when you are something you are writing, how to use a command, how to give it naming properly. Okay, so yeah, now let's begin with your turtle programming. So remember one thing. So let me write here your, what is that? Turtle programming. Okay, and let me now, you can see here itself there are some different options. If you want to do something, you can do it here itself. Okay, suppose I want to do a markdown, I want to mark this okay particular thing. So how can I do it? Here you can see the different options are available in your Jupyter notebook. Here you can see view, then edit, what you want to do. Basically there are a lot many options. You can see move cell down, merge cell below, merge cell above. So these are basically helpful when you're dealing with the different things. Okay, now you can see I have marked down this particular thing. How I marked down, how I use this, go on this particular cell, click escape and then M. Then you can see the particular thing. After you enter, after you hit the enter, the turtle programming will be highlighted. Okay. Now remember one thing. Moving with the turtle programming, you need to install turtle package in your basically system, or in Jupyter notebook. You can just write this command. Either go with this command or either go with this command. Both things will be fine. Use any one command. Okay, if you are using pip install python turtle, that will be going to install and it will take time. You can say the size of it here itself mentioned. After installing this thing, you will be able to use your turtle packages or whatever things present in the turtle. Okay, so please note this command to install your turtle. Okay, python turtle, remember this thing.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Many of my friends have not joined the session, so can you please record it?
Okay, you want me to record it? Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay, I will do it. Okay, just a minute. I think I have backgrounded. I have used recorded started. Let me check it is started or not. Yes, I think it started. Just a minute. Huh? Hello. Yes, it's working. Mic is working fine. Okay. Yeah, it's working. Okay. So let me also have this session with us. So remember one thing. Okay. How many of you are doing with me side by side? Please let me know. So according that, I will ask you the questions and we will go in that direction. Okay. So remember, if you have already installed Python turtle in you, keep it. But If you are installing now, it will take time. Okay, if it will take time. Remember this thing. So this is the command. Here itself I have written pip install python turtle. After installing this thing, you will be getting such message that collecting python turtle, downloading this thing, and your python turtle will be successfully installed. Okay, your python turtle will be going to successfully installed. So this is the basic thing. If you are if you want to use the turtle things, then you need to this install this thing. How many of you are done with this part? Pip install python turtle. How many of you are done with this part? Python turtle, pip install python turtle. Have you done on your PC now? Yes, or you have already installed it? What is the status about it? Okay, Tanishka have with him. What about others? Tanmay has very good Tanmay. Okay, Amrut also. The reason is when I am doing the coding, so there will be some interfaces coming in front of you, some geometries, images. So it will be also in the front of you as well. Okay, so that is the reason. So yeah, let me move further now. So this is the first part. We have basically done with it. So in proper way, I will write here for you. Install Python turtle. Okay. So if you are using three star, if you are using three hash, now you will see the heading, how my heading will be going to look. Okay. And now let me do it a markdown. STM. You can see this is proper way. Look how in proper way it is looking. So let me write here number one. The first step is to install the Python turtle. In this proper way, I will be writing a notebook. So in future, if you want to refer it, you can refer it. Okay. Yeah. Moving further. Now the second part we will be seeing about some. Before starting with the code, we need to learn some basic things about it. Okay. Directly starting with the code will be not a good practice. So let me tell you about some turtle graphics. So first thing, remember this thing that uh, previous the turtle programming language was basically built for the logo, building your logo. Okay. Now and before it was not a part of a Python. It was not part of a Python, but now it is a part of a Python. And using the turtle, it involves the instructing. Means what do you know about the turtle? What is the meaning of turtle? What do you think? What is turtle? What is meaning of turtle? Yes, anyone? What is turtle? Turtle is a name. Turtle is a basically a particular. I don't think you don't know turtle. See the turtle. This is your turtle in front of you. Basically, this is your turtle. You can see this is a turtle. Okay. So the name given in the basis of that, the turtle involves basically us to move on the screen and draw lines to create the desired shape. Means the language itself name given the turtle. Okay, not a big deal. So remember one thing now. Here we will be using some Python function as well in the turtle and some other functions which will be coming from your Python turtle. Okay, Python turtle will be providing us some different types of functions. But remember, if you want to use this Python turtle, it is very good that you are installed, but you want to use it. How can you use it? So for that, you need to import the turtle module. The turtle module need to be imported where at the start of your Python program. Okay. So now second step will be import turtle model module. Okay. Remember, import turtle module. So simple thing for importing, not any big deal. Just write import and your turtle. Now see, it has imported. It has imported us successfully. Please write along with me import turtle. If you are done with this part, let me know by saying yes or no. Have you imported turtle? Yeah, anyone? This is a simple way of writing import turtle, and your turtle will be getting imported, and you can use this turtle for the coding purpose now. Okay. So yeah. Then moving further, we will going to see now important thing. You now focus here. There are different ways of writing a markdown. Okay. In Jupyter Notebook, you can use some HTML tags as well as HTML tags to write a proper markdown. Here I will be writing in front of you. Let's check it. Suppose let me write H3 H3, and I will be going to explain you about the turtle graphics module. Okay, now turtle sorry turtle graphics module. Why I am explaining in this proper way? The reason is it will make your notebook readable and proper way. You can see turtle graphics module. It is written properly. Okay, you can also write in this way if you want. So now we will see the turtle graphics module in a proper way. Some notes I will be providing you so you can remember it further things. Okay. So let me write the first point in it. That first point I can use now for. So first point I will be writing is that turtle graphic basically is a popular way to introduce programming. Okay, and basically these modules are used to teach small kids. Okay, generally it is used to teach a small kid. The reason is here we will be dealing with different types of shapes, triangles, rectangles. But in advanced, when you are talking about the advanced part, there we deal with some geometry, some logo designing, some different animations. Okay, remember this thing. So it is a popular. Remember this is a very popular. Turtle graphics are popular. And the second point we will move is that it is built-in module. It is it is built-in module. It is built-in module in your Python that provides, okay, that provides a simple, again writing the word drawing simple drawing library. Okay, a simple drawing library. Remember in that way, a simple drawing library. Third point we can move with that is your the turtle basically start at a certain position, means certain position on the screen. Whenever we will be writing some code, you will be going to see it. The certain position on the screen that can move, turn, as well as control using simple commands. Very basic simple commands are there, not any big deal. Okay, not a very big deal. So let me write the turtle. The turtle starts. Your turtle basically starts at a certain position. Position. We will see which position on the screen, on your screen, and can be moved. And can be moved as well as your turn. You can turn it as well as and control, and you can control using simple commands. Okay, remember this thing, using simple commands, and those commands we will be going to see now. Okay, using simple commands. And basically the turtle graphics particularly useful for teaching concept. Means teaching concept means basically when you are using loops, means when you are learning loops as well as the conditional statements and other basic programming principle, you can learn with the help of turtles, because it will be going to show you the live thing what will be happening there particularly. Okay, so let me mark down it as well. Okay, so yeah, moving with the next point, and we will see now the simple code in front of you. Okay, so we will going to implement, I will be going to implement some simple thing. You can also do with me side by side. Okay, so I will write here as implement graphics using turtle. Yeah, now see. So before moving it, you should know about some basic terminology. That is your that are yours. So let me write. First thing is that the turtle basically model provides various methods to control the turtle, such as your so that methods to control are your first one is forward, then backward, then your left, then your right, then your we can also write pen up as well as pen down. What are these things? If you don't know, no need to worry. We will be going to see these all things. Okay. So these are the things basically. Let me also now yeah. Now see the code. I'm writing code in front of you. A simple code. Okay. So what this code will be providing us? Let me write import. Okay, I have already imported. See here, I have already imported turtle. No need to write again import turtle if you, already it is imported. If you can write if you want again, no worries. So first I will be doing now create turtle, create turtle object. You need to create first turtle object. So how you can create a turtle object? See here, you can name anything, but follow the general practice. My turtle equal to turtle, turtle dot your turtle. Okay, so we have basically created a turtle object. How it is created? See above. This is our turtle we have imported. Very good. After that, we have created a object for it. We have created object for it. So this object we will be using. Which is the object? My turtle. This object we will be using the further code. Okay. After this point, all things are clear. Let me know. Yes or no.
Yes.
Yes. What about others? Where is my meat? Yes. What about others? Up to this point, all things are clear. Explaining in the very simple way. Okay. Yeah. Those who don't have turtle with them, you can just write in the notebook all the steps properly. Okay. See now. Okay. I have created a turtle object. Okay. Let me run this cell. You can see. You can see here itself. Some screen appears in my in the front. Okay. Let me close it now. Let me close it for now. Okay. Close the program. You can see. Okay. Some error also occur. Why the error occur? I will let you know. Okay. My kernel got dead. Let me restart it. Okay. Restart and run all cells. Let me comment this part now because it is already installed in my PC. Yeah, now see further thing. So I have created my turtle object. Now I will be going to use some above functions which I have provided you. So let me write move the turtle forward, move the turtle forward by enter any value you want. I am writing 100 units. So how can I move forward? Simple. Write your object name which you have created. That is my turtle dot forward. Dot forward. I want to move in a forward direction with the 100 units. Okay. And whenever you are done with your turtle program, please remember this thing. That is your close the turtle graphics. So to close the turtle graphics window window on click. Why is it necessary? You have seen what happened with me before this. So let me write here turtle dot done. Okay, and your parenthesis. Now let me run this. What happened? Let's see what will be going to happen. Okay, here you can see a forwarded line, you can see by after using the my turtle dot forward, I got the forwarded line and with the arrow in front of it. Okay, what I use only my turtle dot forward. This is the basic output for it. Okay, if I now do one thing here. Okay, let me close it. If I write here now, what you can do now, you can do, let me turn the turtle. Turtle means your now. Have you understand what is your turtle means? What is your turtle means now? Anyone can let me know what is your turtle here? Basically, they are defining why are that telling turtle, turn the turtle, move the turtle. Turtle means your basically this. काय म्हणता turtle मराठीत? काय म्हणता? Anyone? What do you call turtle? Yeah, anyone in Marathi?
Castle.
Hmm. तुमचा कासव हे बा हे आपण याला मूव करताय. So that's why I'm writing turn the turtle, move the turtle, like that in the that way. Okay, remember this thing. So very fun when you are learning the turtle. It is very interesting. Okay, turn the turtle left by 90 degrees. See the units and degrees. Why I'm writing the degrees for the left and right, and why I'm writing the units. You need to remember this thing. Okay, here. So my turtle dot left. Let me write 90 degree here and let me run it. Now see. Okay, just a minute. Try to restore. Let me see it will be work or not. Okay, no worries. Let me run it again for you. This happens, not a big deal. Okay, so something wrong happened. Let me check what wrong happened. Have this thing run properly? Okay. Oh, let me close this. Let me also write here that again move the turtle backward backward by 50 minutes means your backward you will be using a backward. Okay, let me see after writing my this I want to write this much code only. Let me see what will be happening now. My turtle dot backward here 50 units I am passing here. Let me save it and let me run it. Again I need to import. I think yes, you can see here now the code is executed. You can see first we move in the forward direction, then we according to it moves left direction, then after that backward. Okay, remember this thing. But the output that I want, it is not getting. There is issue from my side. Okay, there's something issue from my side. I don't know it is a network issue or what issue, but there is some issue from my side. Okay, you can see again I got an error in this below terminal. No worries. I'll be explaining you with the further concept. We will take a small code and we will be explaining all the things properly. Okay, now consider that if I want to make a, suppose we can make now a simple and basic thing, that is your which right angle triangle. We will try to make a right angle triangle with this, with the help of this. Okay, so let me again restart. If your same error occurs in your side, please restart your kernel. Okay, here only all the cells will be going to run and you will be getting the output properly. Okay, and try to do one thing, that keep your this thing in all the things present here. Okay, so because while running it will be taking it properly. Now let's take an example, a simple example of your right angle triangle. So basically we will try to print a simple right angle triangle. Let me check we will going to get an answer or not, right? Right angle triangle. Okay, let's see. So for the turtle programming, you need a practice. Okay, if you are a good in turtle, if you want to be a good person in turtle, practice it. Okay, let me write first thing, that is your import turtle again. Import turtle. After that, we will move further. First thing, for making a right angle triangle, what we can do? Anyone can let me know? Let's do the code with me side by side, so you will understand. So first thing, what we will be do? We will be writing turtle dot forward. Turtle dot forward. Why turtle dot forward? It will be going to, suppose, let me write here 200, and let me open my paint. I can explain you there itself the concept. Okay, so see here. Straight line. Okay. So first thing what we are doing here, I am doing the turtle dot forward. Okay. Remember the turtle dot forward. It will be going to go in this direction. Turtle dot forward, and the arrow will be in this way. Arrow will be. Let me take arrow also. The- Let me select a color black. So here will be our arrow. Okay. The turtle dot forward. So basically we have printed the base part. You can remember in this way. Then after this I will be doing turtle turtle dot left. Turtle dot left. What is the functioning of the turtle dot left? So let me clear you the functioning of turtle dot left is that it will be just basically changing my arrow to upwards. Arrow to upwards means my arrow was which was downwards, it will be going to take it upward. The simple basic change it will be going to do means it will be changing my direction. And let me explain you one thing here which we have written in the above code. You can see when we run it. Okay, some error from my side, no worries. Let me run it again. It will be showing the same error that close the program. Okay. So see here, one thing I forgot to explain you. Okay. See that thing. What is that thing? What is the functioning of the left and right? That I want to let you know. Okay. Hmm. See now. Has it done? Yeah. See here. See here. Focus now here. Okay. First thing, turtle dot forward. Okay, turtle is forwarded. Very good. You can see this line, straight line. After that, turtle dot left. Turtle dot left means he has changed the direction of my arrow. Okay, it has changed the direction of my arrow. This concept I want to explain. You can see when you are going forward and you're changing the turtle dot left, your arrow direction is changing to the left side. Okay, left side. You can see right will be this, left is this part. Okay, remember this. And after that, we have said that turtle dot backward. Turtle dot backward means where is that? Turtle dot backward, and this is the line for this turtle dot backward, and your arrow remains as it is. Your arrows remain as it is. Okay. So I thought that there was an error because I forgot to this write this line, but now you can see the output. The output which I want, I got this successfully. Okay. This was the output for the your first program. So it is clear what is the use of turtle that left and right as well as forward and backward. Yes, anyone? Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
What about others? So this is the basic thing you should remember. Okay, what the thing is basically happening in the background of the turtle. Okay, remember this thing. What is use of your left as well as forward. So with this help, this was a simple example which explaining you the concept of your forward. Then we changing the direction means arrow goes to the up direction, and you this line representing the same thing. That is a backward. Let me close it now and let's move to the R code. So now in our code, what happened now? We want to print a right angle triangle. First thing we have done successfully, just turtle dot forward. This part we have done turtle dot forward, and we have moved. Let me erase this part for you. Okay. So according to that, first thing we have done this part, then we have changed its direction. That was this. Okay. Now next thing is that we want to go in the upper direction. So what will be the my next line? What should I write for this? We want to go in this direction. We want to go in this direction. So what will be the next command here? Can anyone let me know what will be the next command here? What should I write here? Yes, anyone? Hmm? Anyone? I want to move in this direction.
Right.
No, again repeating the same thing.
Enough.
What anyone? Yes? You will be not writing a right as well as left. Right left is for changing your this arrow direction. You are going in this direction. As
Enough.
me, yeah. What? Please speak aloud so I can listen. So here you can see we have used backward. Backward means we moved in the downward direction in the previous code. So we want to move in the this direction. So what can I write here now? In this direction I want to move.
Forward.
Forward. Okay, I need to again write the same thing. Turtle dot. So this is a big mistake which all students done basically. They think that we move writing the right direction. No, left and right is for your changing the direction of your arrows. Again repeating the same thing. Okay. Let me write turtle dot forward. Okay. So I think we have done this part. The next thing is the next thing is your we want to check basically what we have to check. We have make this part. We have make this part successfully. Now we want to go in this direction. Okay, in this direction. So for going this direction, we are again moving in the left direction. We are again moving with the left direction. So let me write turtle dot left. But here, what is the important? The important is your angle. Basically, we moved here 90 degree. We moved here 90 degree our angle. But now here, what should be degree of angle? Because we moved here 90 degree. This is your 90 degree. You can see here itself written.
45.
Okay, someone says 45. Someone says 45. Let me open this here. Okay. So we moved in 90 direction, but here we need to move in this direction. Okay, in this direction. I like that way. So according to your someone said 45. Let me write here 45. Let me check what happens. I did even did, don't know. Okay, let me write it. So yeah, this thing is happened. Now further thing. Now we need to work on the length. We need to work on the length. So what should be the length means of the longest side using the which formula? Your Pythagoras formula. What is the formula for Pythagoras? Can anyone let me know what is the formula Pythagoras theorem? Yeah, anyone knows the formula for Pythagoras? Anyone of you? Have you done the Pythagoras theorem?
Yes.
What is the formula?
Square of two sides is
Hmm.
equal to square of one side.
Yeah, same thing. So same thing we will be writing here. At using your Pythagoras formula, we will be writing here that we have used 200, na? So let me write 200. 2 star used for your square in Python. I hope you remember this concept. And again 200, then square, and then we will be. Let me check if it's okay. Okay, it's fine. No worries. Now let me 0 0.5. Why 0 0.5? I will be explaining you. I will be explaining. Don't worry. Okay. Let me write in this way now. I think it is fine. Let me check once. Okay, 200 square, very good. Then 200 again square, very good. Then after that, we will be dealing with this part. Okay, Yeah. Okay. So now I need to move in again the forward direction. That is your which direction now? We came here up to this point. Now we want to move in that direction. How can I do it? Let me check. Let me check what will be the output. So for this thing, your geometries will be good. I'm writing something here. Okay, what is the error? Total dot forward C in forward distance. Okay, in the forward distance there is something error. What is the error? 2 1. Then you 1 2. What is the error? Let me check. Okay. Till that time, if you understand where is the error, let me know about it. I think it is the error with the it itself with the this particular thing. I hope with this formula. Okay. So let me omit this part, and let me write in this way now. 90. We are moving in the proper direction. Then forward. Very good. Then length. Okay. Let me write in this way without going with the formula because there is some error in the formula. I think might got wrong with the formula. So we can write in this way also if I want. That is your okay. The one
दादा
thing. Bol.
माझा आउटपुट आलाय बट जी आपण हायपोटेनिस असते ती डाऊन यायला पाहिजे ना
Mm-hmm.
खालच्या लाईनला तर ती
Uh,
वरती जाते.
can you write turtle dot left as 130 turtle dot left as 135 degree? Please go with the
ओके
135. Let me know the
ओके
output. In my side, why it is giving error, I even don't know. I think the error is for okay. It's run now. Okay, let me check why this is thing is happening. I even don't know. Let me comment this part. Now run this part. Let me make its angle as a 135. Let me
दादा इट्स गेटिंग
getting getting.
येस
Yeah. Means my formula was correct, but yeah, it's getting. But how this is getting? I am getting in this way. What about you?
सेम
Same.
सेम
Okay, so we have for means we have done basic. We got a right angle triangle exactly what we want, but the issue is with our formula. Basically, I need to check my formula. Okay, first 200, then 90, then 200. We are forwarding in a proper direction. After that, we are going 135. I think here might be any error. Okay, let me check. Let me write in the proper formula base. So it should perform for these two as well. Then let me delete this formula and write it again. First thing it should do that 200. Okay. Then second thing it should plus, yeah, in this way. Then it should perform first this thing. After performing this thing, it should do, sorry, 0.5. There is another one way. Okay, we will go with that way. If this way is not working, I will go with that way. Let me again run my thing. Okay, now see how the output. Getting? Yeah, you can see the output. Okay, is it getting now? What about others? How many of you are doing with me side by side? What about others? What is the condition? Harsh, you are getting output?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And what about others? Ashwini, Dhanishri, Sujal, what about you? Do you got the output or you just noting it? What is the because in turtle you need to learn the things in this way only. Okay, you will getting a lot many things to learn because the direction matters. Forward got the output. Very good, Dhanisha. Very good. So I hope this question is clear. The right angle triangle. Okay. I will be doing it another way. Okay. I have clicked the another way also without using this formula. Okay. Without this using and this, remember this general formula. Okay. Remember this general formula. That is your one side square plus two second side square and your what is this? This basically hypotenuse. Okay. This is the general formula in this case. Okay. Remember this thing. And we are taking the side as same as mentioned here and we are moving in the proper direction. Where is my paint? We see. If those students who don't understand anything, let me explain you again. Okay, let me explain again. A very important thing. Let me. Sorry. I think that I don't have means that much capable of my PC, my laptop. That's why running multiple application might get load because in background lot many applications are running. My okay, you can see as well as Meet is also working. No issues. Yeah, let me explain you. First thing, turtle dot forward. Okay, turtle dot forward. This thing is happen. Then turtle dot left. Okay, direction change. Very good. Then turtle dot forward. Again forward with the 200 points. Very good. Sorry. In this direction, turtle dot forward. Okay, this thing is happened. Then after that, we have written your turtle dot left and with the 135-degree angle. The reason I was telling some students were saying 145. But not 45, 135 as it is mentioned in the algorithm itself. When you move in this direction, then you need to do again, then applying your that Pythagoras theorem, and you should forward your turtle dot c, and it will be coming here. After coming here, your direction will be remaining as it is. That is your this direction. Hope now it is clear. Please let me know. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now there is another way. Okay, there is another way. See that way. A very simple way again. Import turtle. I am writing import turtle again for you. Please remember this thing. So I will create my turtle object. No need to create turtle object, but if you want to create, it is a good way. Okay, my turtle. You can directly take a turtle dot left, turtle dot right, but if you create object, it will good practice. Okay, turtle dot turtle. Now I will be using my object itself. Let me write my turtle dot forward. My turtle dot forward, and it that I will take 100 units. Okay, I will moving with 100 units. Same thing again. My turtle dot left. My turtle dot left, that will be 190. We will move with a 90. Arrow will be going to change its direction to the 90-degree. Then after that I will be going to move my turtle dot forward, my turtle dot forward, and it will be 150. Why 150? I will be going to draw the height of the triangle to the 150. Okay, I am planning according to me. And my turtle, and here you remember one thing, please take an angle whatever it be, please take the angle that is your 135. Now one thing is clear, I think all two, that left and right is basically you indicates your arrow. Okay, remember this thing, arrow direction with the help of a degree. And let me move further my turtle dot forward, my turtle dot forward with a 170. Here what I have done, I have calculated basically all the things, and according to that I have made the thing simple for my end. Okay, my end, turtle dot end. Let me close this and let me comment above part. So all others application will be closed. Okay, very good. I have imported turtle DSS. Let me close this. So you can see my lab is presentable. This much applications are running. Also recording is working. That's why this thing is happening. Okay. At your end, I think all things are fine. Yes or no? At your end, what is the status? Are you getting this type of thing?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. No worries. So let me save it and run this. See now. Oh, It has gone in the other direction. I think I have done the mistake. What is the mistake? Can anyone let me know? Forward is done, left is done, then forward, then right, then forward. What is the mistake? Can anyone identify? What we can make changes?
Left 135.
Okay, left 135. Let me do it left 135. Okay. See now. Left 135. I have written. I will be closing this and I will be again restarting my kernel. I will be going in this way because it will be not showing the error continuously. Yeah, it's coming there. Okay. The issue is with the length because I have provided length without the use of a formula. You can go in this way and here you can see I need to increase the downward base. I need to increase the base. So in this way I can connect the dots. I can connect the dots. If you go on increase the length, increase the above length itself. At the end they will be meeting each other. At some point they will be meeting each other. Okay. In this way you can design in a simple and proper way. That is your. So let me write forward something as, let me check. 141 something, and so I think it will be joining now 145. Let me try. If it is not joining, we will move with the next question. You try it your own self. Okay, let me close this. You can move in this direction. This is another way. If you don't know the formula, how to write in a proper way formula, then you can move with this direction. Okay, use this type of concept. Okay. So you can do by your own and you can share the code, okay, with me. Whatever with the value matches with you can share with me. But don't use this formula. If by using this formula, we will be getting the correct answer. But you can go in this way and let me know the output, okay? Let me comment this part and we will move now further. Learning some different things about the turtle itself, okay? Let's see. So let me move downwards now, going into the new cell. And now here we will be going to see different concepts. Like there are a lot many concepts. Just we have done the introduction with it. That is your we have check the different methods in the turtle. Now see, there is another one thing. Let me write a number 4 and 5. Okay, focus here. Fifth is your turtle screen methods. There are some screen methods in the turtle as well. You can see the screen methods. So what is the screen methods? So the screen methods are basically the turtle screen class provides methods to control the appearances. Okay, I can write in that way. The turtle screen class provides the method to control the appearance of what? But appearance of the turtle graphics window of your turtle graphics window. And here we can you can see that the things like your BG color. BG color means anyone can identify what is meant by BG color. Yes or no? What do you mean by BG color?
Background color.
Yeah, very good. Then your title, you can deal with the title. Then there are screen size, what the screen size you want. Okay, but remember one thing more, when you are going with a turtle, we didn't prefer for Jupyter notebook. Okay, we go either with a VS Code or a Spider. Okay, these are the very good because in Jupyter notebook same thing, this type of error occurs lot many times. Why I'm not using a VS Code in front of you? As mentioned in your syllabus, either you can go with the Colab. Means there is mentioned directly using Google Colab. But in Google Colab, I am doing this thing. It will be take lot many time for me. Okay, that's why I am using this Jupyter notebook because all things are set up in my things. I can use a VS Code. I will be writing entire code properly, but there will be no error. I will be not getting this type of error. But it will be again a problem for you. Okay, but we can do such all codes in a VS Code as well. Okay, same thing. And in the spider it will be more good. Spider is also part, spider is also id where you can do your python languages code. Okay, so yeah, let me explain you this concept now. Remember this idea what I called name you now VS code, as well as you can go with a spider. Okay, no worries. So yeah, moving further to see next thing, we will see now again import, and let me comment above code. Yes, all above codes are commented. This is the issue in Jupyter Notebook. If I be going to run all the things, it will be going to run all the things. Okay, that's why I'm checking. And basically in the case of this type of program where you are getting an interface, okay, it a lot many errors occur. For that purpose you should use a VS code, as well as you can go for a spider. Okay, now see further. Create turtle screen. How we can create a turtle screen? A very simple thing. Either you can create an object, it depends on you. If you don't want to create object, don't need to create object, directly write my screen equal to turtle as it is, turtle dot screen. Create a turtle screen. Okay, simple way of creating a screen in a turtle. Then second thing, we need to set a background. I want to set a background. Set background color. Set background color to light blue. Suppose you can go with any color, but I like light blue, so I am writing light blue. So let me write my screen equal to, okay, not my screen equal to, I will write my screen dot bg color, as mentioned above, bg color, and in that I will write light blue. You can give any color, whatever you want. Okay, now if I want to set, what I want to set my window title, I can set my window title whatever I want. Okay, so let me write my screen dot title. In that I can write turtle, what, turtle graphics. Then the turtle, let me write turtle graphics, turtle graphics. And after writing all these things, please remember this thing to close the turtle, close the turtle graphics window. After writing all things, please remember to close the turtle graphics window. On click means while I will run, you will see that what is the purpose of on click. My screen, and you can write my screen exit on click. This is a function for it. Okay, I hope I written this function right. If I have not written, I will check it on Google. Okay, because I don't remember this. Yes, I in this way I will write my screen dot exit on click. Okay, let me run it. Yes, you can see. But where is the title? Where is the title? Can anyone let me know where is the title occur? Yes, anyone? Where is the title? Which title? I was talking about which title? Yeah, you can.
Turtle.
Yeah, you can see a turtle graphics. Here you can see the turtle graphics. The name of my window is itself is a turtle graphics. Here it is present. You can see. Okay. What about your side? Have you run it? Do you got the output?
Yes.
Okay. What about others? Yes. What about others? Do you got output or not? Okay. Good. So moving further with your, we will see some again more important, interesting thing in it, and that is your two more important concept. Okay, that is your number 5. Now we have, let me write here number as a 6, and here we will be seeing your use loops and conditional statements. By using the help of use of your loops and conditional statement to draw graphics, to draw the graphics. See, how we can draw. So we can use these loops as well as graphics in your turtle programming, no issues. How we can use, let's see here. Let me comment this part and let me write here. So let me import first. Import turtle, my turtle equal to turtle. I have means habit of writing this thing, okay? Creating object, not any big deal. So if I want to draw a square, suppose I want to draw a square, okay, using a loop, how can I draw? Okay, so see here, for, have you know this, have you know under, what is the use of underscore in this? Anyone can let me know if you have learned the some good Python language. Can anyone let me know what is this underscore? Why I have written underscore here? Have anyone know? Anyone from you? Why we write this type of syntax for underscore? Generally we use this type of things. Why? But anyone know? If you don't know, please say no.
No.
Okay. So listen this thing. When you are not interested in some values, okay, it should be written by a function. We use underscore in place of a variable name. Okay. We can use underscore instead of writing any variable name. Okay. The same thing will be happening when you use a variable name as well. But if you're not interested, write anything, you can basically write an underscore there. It means that in how many times the loop is run till means from your just now time, it should run specific number of times overall, means whatever things in the range you have mentioned, it will be going to work for this time, and it is not interested for this part. Okay, remember this thing. If you're not interested, you can write in this way. Let me move further now. My total dot, because I'm not using this if I written I here, I will be not using I here, that's why I'm writing this way. Okay, 100 my turtle dot left. I want to make a square now. My turtle dot left. 90-degree will be angle for the square, and simple thing. Turtle dot done. Let me save it and run it. Yeah, you can see the output. Is it clear? Using the for loop, you can make this type of things. Yes or no?
Yes.
Simple example in front of you. You can see how the square is created. Simple code with the help of a for loop. Okay. So yeah. Now let me add some conditions. Let me explain you with help of one example. Let me take an example where I can use some condition if else in that. So let me go with a drawer. We will go with a color. Can I do it color? Yes, yes, I can do it. Let me write. Draw a colored circle with a conditional statement. Let me try. Okay, I am also doing with you. Let me try it. Can we print it? Same thing. Let me first comment this part. Let me copy this thing again. Same thing I will be writing. Okay. Now moving further. So for circle, I want to make a circle. For circle, what is important thing? That is your radius. Let me take a radius as 60. Any value you can take radius. Then simple thing you need to, that is my turtle dot circle. My turtle dot circle and pass the radius. Pass the radius in it. Let me write here radius, because I have assigned the value for a radius. Okay. Then condition, if what? If radius greater than 50, if radius greater than 50, what you can do? You can do that my turtle dot fill color. If it is greater than 50, then only fill color. Okay, then only fill color, otherwise no need to fill color. my turtle dot begin fill. If you want to fill, you want to write this thing. That is your begin fill. And after this, please remember the thing to write that your turtle dot done. Let me save it and run it. I have run in that manner. Again, I have got the same thing. Just wait a minute now. Let me close it. Restart. Where is? Yeah, you can see I got such type of output. Greater if red is greater than then my turtle dot fill color. That is the red color. Of course, very good. My turtle dot begin fill. Okay, is it working fine? What the status at your side? Anyone?
Yes, done.
Done. Okay. So yeah, these were the simple concept regarding the turtle. If you want to make yourself more familiar with the turtle, more good in the turtle, you need to practice lot many questions. Okay, because we are basically dealing with the direction and all things. I hope it is clear. And what about in the college? What things you are taught? What the things you have been taught in the college? Can anyone let me know? Nothing. Directly nothing.
Only class and objects.
Okay, but it is not up to the class and object. Okay, remember this thing. Class and object is a basic part. You need to know how to design a rectangle, square, triangle. If you are mentioning turtle programming in your resume, if you are mentioning simple concept, whatever question I have taken today, these questions are asked on this. If you are mentioning a turtle programming in your resume, they will ask you to print a simple square, simple circle. Okay, so hope all the concepts are clear. Yes or no? Let me know.
Yes.
Yes.
And one thing I will be preferring you that I have used Jupyter Notebook, but the reason I use, as you mentioned, was your in your syllabus, that is a Google Colab. But henceforward, please use VS Code. Try this or whole code on the VS Code itself. Okay, you see there how properly your code will be working. Okay, in Jupyter Notebook, I think you also might be getting the error like mine. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, the reason is Jupyter Notebook means basically is a notebook. If you run the particular cell, it has some reference from the above cell. Okay, but in VS Code, you are going to be writing in a proper code Python file. Okay, here we are using with a notebook. All things will be running. That's the reason we got a error. And as a assignment, you can take this practice around 7 to 8 questions if you want to means be good in the turtle programming for now. And in your exam, I don't think means leaving this much thing. Let me open this. Leaving this much thing, nothing will be asked. Okay, nothing will be asked extra from this. And I hope the concept of class object I have explained, or it is clear to all. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Please let me know so I can move further, or we can stop here itself. And I want to explain you the concept that is of class programming, Django programming also. But in all the things in one session, it will be not a good thing. So in this way, again we will meet on a Sunday on the holiday. As someone mentioned, we have paper in the second week of December. So in the next Sunday, we will be covering in the class. Next Sunday, Django and your three all things will be done. Okay. Explaining all things in the one session will be a hectic thing for you. Okay. That's why. Hope it is clear. Yes or no? Yeah. So I hope all you will be practicing the questions by your own self. Around please practice around 7 to 8 questions, not more than that, on the turtle program. If any doubt, please ask me and practice on a VS Code. If you have VS Code, install there that you are which Python turtle and practice there. Okay, or go with a spider. If you have Anaconda whole installed with you, go on a that and practice it. And I will try to provide this recording today or today, yes, by today itself. So other who don't have a net properly, they can refer it. Okay, you can share that video to them. So you'll be getting a good idea of a turtle programming. All examples are clear today. You can see that all the questions I have been doing in front of you. Whatever mistake I made in front of you. Okay. I was not having the questions means I have not prepared. I have whatever I have learned. I have just revised my concept. What the things I know. Because in programming, whenever you are tackling with the error, then only you will be going to learn the things. Okay, remember one thing. Is it clear to all? If you are not tackling with the error, remember there is an issue with your side. If you are getting error, means you are on a right track. Remember one thing. Hope it is clear to all. Yes or no? Yeah. So yeah, we can stop here. So anyone, if any doubt, you can ask me. Anyone having any doubt, please ask me. I am here for next 5 minutes. Please ask me and let me know about the session. How was the session? Hope you enjoyed and learned lot many things about the turtle programming. Yes or no? At our time, there was not a turtle programming in our syllabus. Okay, but I learned basically from outside with the help of a YouTube. I also design a lot. And one thing, if you want to make some interesting programming, the turtle programming, please go and watch some short video as well as Instagram reel video. Search for a turtle programming. You will be getting a lot many means different types of geometric design as well as logo designing. Okay, I have made lot many things, but I was searching this morning for this folder, but I did not got that folder. I have named something for that folder. There were around 15 to 20 designs of the turtle I have designed by my own. Okay. Whenever I got my folder, I didn't know what I named that folder. That's why I'm searching from the morning. If I got that thing, I will be sharing with you. All the I've made with the help of your turtle programming, and all I refer the Instagram reels. In 30 seconds, they are writing whole code and making something a cool and very nice design. Okay. You can also refer some YouTube shorts. Make something like that. It will be really helpful. Okay. So yeah, you can leave the meet. We will continue with our Python from Monday. And how many of you are revising Python daily on the daily basis? Are you revising the Python concepts on the daily basis? Yeah, please revise it. Okay. Whenever if you leave the one day, and then it will be really a big problem for you. Every day you should revise at least all the things what I have mentioned you. Okay. Go with me. No worries. All the things I have provided, I have covering lot many interview questions there itself. Okay. So have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye. You can leave the meet. Bye bye.